Dolly Parton took to her socials today, making a statement to Tennessee state lawmakers who have agreed to erect a statue of Dolly at the state capitol in Nashville. In a short letter, Parton asked them not to do it. Dolly wrote, "I want to thank the Tennessee legislature for their consideration of the bill to erect a statue of me on the Capitol grounds. I'm honored and humbled by the intention, but I have asked leaders of the state legislature to remove the bill from any and all consideration." Dolly continued, "Given all that is going on in the world, I don't think putting me on a pedestal is appropriate at this time. I hope, though, that somewhere down the road, several years from now, or perhaps after I am gone, if you still feel I deserve it, then I'm certain I will stand proud in our great state capitol as a grateful Tennessean." Parton added, "In the meantime, I will continue to try to do good work to make this great state proud." Dolly spoke with us a few years ago at her 50th Grand Ole Opry anniversary, where she talked about how she wanted to be remembered when she was gone.
You never know what's going to happen to you in your life. You never know if your dreams are going to come true. And if they do, you wonder how people will remember you when you're older. And I'm older. And I'm seeing how people are remembering me, and that makes me feel very humble. And I'm just very honored that I'm still around, not only to just get to accept this, that I can actually perform and get out there and still doing what I love to do. And maybe I'll be around another 50 years, who knows?